Okay, there's a stump we need to remove. We saw this product from Spectracide Stump Remover. Up here it says destroys stumps. Let's give it a try. Everybody hates removing stumps. It can be extremely difficult. Let's put it to the test. Okay, this product is actually not liquid. There's actually granules in there, and we're going to follow the manufacturer's instructions precisely. It involves drilling 12-inch holes into the stump, 2 on the top, 2 on the sides at angles, and then pouring hot water in to dissolve the solution, and it will start to degrade the stump. All right, this is what the product looks like. At first I thought it was a liquid, found out it was granules. That's actually what it looks like. Okay, they recommend 4 ounces of product into each of the holes. The product is 16 ounces, so that's approximately 1/4 of the bottle for each hole. That's as much product as I can fit in there. Now onto the hot water. Okay, I got the hot water. I stopped it right before the boiling point. The product label says just to pour it right over the granules. And what it's going to do is it's going to get in there and dissolve and start working away on the stump. Now the manufacturer's label recommends that you come back tomorrow, the following day, and add a little bit more hot water to make sure the product is completely dissolved. So we'll do that as well. The label says for best results, you're 4 to 6 weeks out for the stump to be decayed and easy to remove. So we'll add the extra hot water tomorrow, and then we'll keep checking it every couple weeks, and we'll report the results to you. Three-week update video. I don't see too much change yet. This was actually by the lawn care service we have. I see the grass has died, so it does kill the surrounding vegetation, so something's going on, maybe. Okay, the instructions say 4 to 6 weeks. We've given it 6 weeks. Let's take a look. Okay, we followed the manufacturer's instructions. We have the 4 drill holes as they recommended. So let's probe down in there and see if it feels soft. A lot of dead grass from the lawn mowings. A little soft, a little punky, a little soft. That could be water damage too, I don't know. This damage was from the lawn equipment. The guys that cut our grass hit it. So that's what that was. That wasn't even where we put the product. We put the product, if you remember, in the center 2 holes per the manufacturer's instructions and the side holes. Definitely killed the grass around it. So it does do something. I would say maybe it feels a little bit softer on the inside. Nothing dramatic. And the wood around it is still very solid. So far, not super impressed with using a product that says it's a stump remover, and then we waited a month and a half while you're looking at this unsightly stump. Okay, the product is called Stump Remover, so in my mind, we followed the instructions. I should be able to just whack this thing and it should just disintegrate. Let's see. Trusty 10-pound sledgehammer. Okay, I've made a little bit of a mess here. Still felt like the wood was super solid. You're getting into where the product was for sure. Still pretty darn solid. Unfortunately, at this point, I think I'd call it a fail. I'm going to have to dig it up and remove it the old-fashioned way. That's a lot of work. Okay, the product label says accelerates decomposition. That may or may not be true. Felt like it helped a little bit. Certainly nowhere near my expectations. I think you're end up going to just remove it the old-fashioned way with hard work, digging it out, cutting it up.